How to turn on or off headphone accommodation on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, scroll down again and go to hearing section and go to audio visual. In audio visual, go to audio section. Here in audio section, you can see here the headphone accommodation. And the headphone accommodation is off. To turn on this, okay, you'll have to do is tap this and you can see here the switch button on the right side. So to turn on the headphone accommodation, you'll have to do is switch on switch button on the right side. So if this turn on, customize the audio for supported Apple and Beats headphones by adjusting the setting below or through custom audio setup. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on. And to turn off again, okay, you'll have to do switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully turned on or off headphone accommodations on iPhone X.